Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create IMMI account for the Australia online visa application step by step. Please watch this video completely and let me know your feedback in the comment section. The first step is open the Australia Immigration website as you can see on your screen. If you do not know the website of Australia Immigration, so just type in Google Australia Immigration and Citizenship and you will get this website easily. As you can see on your screen, 3 tabs are up, so just click on IMMI account tab, then you will see a new page which login information page. I am assuming you do not have Australia IMMI account, so you have to create an account first. If you scroll down you have the login option, but if this is your first login then simply click on create IMMI account. So next page you will see service required questions like for whom you, what kind of online services do you need. Individual account or organization account. In my case, I will select an individual account. Next, you have user details, family name, given name, phone number, mobile phone, specify an email address and confirm email address. If you need help, so you can click on the question mark icon and you will get your answer. I'm gonna fill this and I'm gonna come back next. It is gonna ask you to create the password and set some questions and answers for security purposes. Then, next portion is security alert, so you have to check all boxes, then next declaration and click on the terms and conditions box, and the last part is a security check. I am not a reboot, and then click on submit. So after that, you get an email. For confirmation your account, so click on it for verify. I cannot show certain portions of this email for privacy, but you get an email from the department. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.